Come on unbox with me my Baroness hanging neck fan. And in the box it comes with a fan, of course. In this case I got a black one. I would have loved another color because it comes in 5 colors: dark green, dark blue, pink, white, and black. I would have loved to get the white or the pink, but anyhow, I'll settle for the black for now. It also comes with the instruction sheet and the charging cord or the USB cord. Here I'm placing it around my neck to try it out, checking out the fan speed, and that big button with the light shows the power display, and it comes with I think about 5 speed. The smaller button is the switch gear, so it goes from power to